I'm here in Jerusalem and I have this wonderful pastry. Look at that. And I have a cappuccino, and here I'm here with my friend. He's the foodie guy. He makes the food tours here in Jerusalem. And I'm at Racheli Bernier. And the lady, she won the cooking show, no? You said the reality cooking show? Or?
It's like a bake-off or something like that. The best dessert in Israel.
Wow, this is unbelievable. And can you explain?
Nice place.
And can you explain what this is here now?
Yeah, this is a pistachio with good things like Turkish delight.
Coffee?
Yeah.
Pistachio.
This is coconut with the chocolate and coffee.
Wow, look at that. And we have this one is pistachio. So we are going to try this out now. And here then we have the nice cappuccino. I tried the cappuccino already. It's wonderful, you know. And we are here at Racheli Bernier. And
What's your name?
Moshiko. Nice to meet you, man. Thank you for this nice service. It's a super nice service. So when you come to Jerusalem, you will meet nice people like I met this friend. What's your name?
Avi Friedman.
Avi, like you meet people like Avi, and you go to Racheli Bernier and you have some nice pastry, and I have to stop now. I have to try that stuff out, no? Sorry, I have to go.